Hi everyone, I'm Nadine. Thanks for clicking and welcome to this lesson on possessive pronouns. Watch this video till the end to get bonus material. So, stay with me on this channel and let's begin. Before we start this lesson, I want to say a couple of words what we were talking about in the previous ones. We were talking about the Russian alphabet, loan words, personal pronouns. I explained the noun and the gender of the noun. So, if you didn't see these videos and you don't know some of this stuff, especially if you don't know the noun and the gender of the noun, you had better back to my previous videos and watch them first, because it will be difficult to understand this lesson without this knowledge. Okay? And let's go. Russian possessive pronouns have more forms than English ones. English: my key, my pen, my apple, my questions. Russian: мой ключ, моя ручка, моё яблоко, мои вопросы. The correct usage of the possessive pronoun depends on the gender, number, and case of the noun it corresponds with. But don't be afraid that in order to use the right form of the possessive pronoun, you need to analyze the noun it belongs to. You will learn to see the similarities in sounding of the both endings very soon. And now let's look at these examples. Моя ручка, моя кухня, моя мама, мои дети, мои вопросы, мои билеты. These endings sound very similar, and I will help you to see and to hear these similarities, and we will practice a lot in this lesson. Possessive pronouns answer following questions: чей, чья, чье, чьи. As you may have noticed, the type of questions depends on the gender, number, and case of the corresponding noun. So let's summarize what we learned so far about possessive pronouns in the table. Personal pronouns we already know, and now let's look at this part of the table. Masculine, feminine, neuter, and plural. Masculine: чей, мой, твой. Please repeat after me. Его. We don't say его, we say его. Его. Ее. Его. Наш. Ваш. Их. Feminine: чья, моя, твоя, not твоя, твоя, not моя, 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 твоя, его, ее, его, наша, ваша, их. Neuter: чье, мое, not мое, 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 твое, его, ее, его, наше, ваше, их. Plural. Чьи, мои, твои, его, ее, его, наши, ваши, их. There are so many details here that it can get confusing, I know. And if you are good at identifying the gender of nouns, you should have no trouble to memorize this table. But if you still have some troubles with it, I can offer you a second way to memorize and use these pronouns correctly. Let's look at it. You can try to learn these pronouns by the similarity in sound of both endings. You might will like this way more, or it will be easier for you. Repeat all these examples after me. Train your hearing. If you see a noun with endings such as consonant, short e, y, or soft sign, you must use pronouns with short e, y, or with a consonant on the end. These forms of endings are quite similar in sound. Мой дом. Just a second. Твой брат. Наш телефон. Ваш телефон. Мой музей. Твой хоккей. Наш санаторий. Ваш санаторий. Мой словарь. Твой гость. Наш дождь. Дождь. Ваш дождь. Дождь. And of course, don't forget about our exceptions, which have other endings, but they are masculine gender. Мой папа. Твой дядя. Наш кофе. Ваш дедушка. Мой мужчина. If you see a noun with endings such as a, я, я, or soft sign, you must use pronouns with я and a on the end. These forms of endings are quite similar in sound. Моя машина. Твоя семья. Наша квартира. Ваша квартира. Моя фантазия. Твоя фамилия. Наша армия. Ваша армия. Моя ночь. Твоя кровать. Наша новость. Ваша новость. If you see a noun with endings such as о, е, и е, you must use pronouns with yo and ye on the end. These forms of endings are quite similar in sound. Моё место, твое дерево, наше фото, ваше фото. Моё платье, твое сердце. Do you hear these similarities in sounding? Наше кафе, ваше кафе. Моё желание, ё-о, ё-е, ё-ие. Твое сообщение, наше задание, ваше задание. Well, guys, I know we haven't talked about the plural form of nouns yet, and you don't know the endings of the nouns in plural. I will give you just a few words to practice possessive pronouns in plural, and we will talk about the plural form of nouns in the next lesson, okay? And now let's look at the slide. If you see a noun with the ending such as I, you must use pronouns with I on the end. These forms of endings are quite similar in sound. Мои подруги, твои медали, наши дети, ваши дети. Мои картины, твои вопросы, наши билеты, ваши билеты. Well, all these explanations I showed in this table, which you get at the end of this lesson. These pronouns never change independently of the gender, number and case. Его маркер, masculine. Ее маркер, их маркер. Его ручка, feminine. Ее ручка, их ручка. Его кольцо, neuter. Ее кольцо, их кольцо. Его дети, plural. Ее дети, их дети. As you remember, there are two ways of addressing people, ты and вы. It works for possessive pronouns too. Look, in English, you will ask, where is the key? In Russian, if you address your friends or family members, you will ask, где твой ключ? But if you address an older person in age or position, a stranger, and so on, you will ask, где ваш ключ? This is polite addressing. This is Russian etiquette. Tell me, please, do you need a lesson about Russian etiquette? If you do, let me know in comments, please, and I will make a lesson and I will gather all the nuances, all the cases about Russian etiquette. Well, we talked enough about possessive pronouns, about ways for remembering possessive pronouns, and now let's practice. Let's just read it together to practice your hearing another one time. Мой кофе. Моя семья. Мое тело. Мои ключи. Твой выбор. Твоя кровать. Твое плечо. Твои братья. Его телефон. Его машина. Его место. Его деньги. Ее мужчина. Ее сумка. Ее платье. Ее подруги. Наш дом. Наша комната. Наше фото. Наши дети. Ваш велосипед. Велосипед. Ваша газета. Ваше здание. Ваши проблемы. Их шоколад. Их картина. Их вино. Их книги. Another one exercise. Read it with me. Just a second, I will relocate myself, not for a long time. Well, это я, это мой друг, там моя подруга. Now it's your turn. Это ты, это твой учебник, тут твоя тетрадь. And you. Это мы. Вот наш университет. Университет. Тут наша библиотека. Библиотека. Now it's your turn. Это вы. Вот ваш учитель. Вот ваш класс. Там ваше окно. Well done. Oh, this is something more interesting. I made this exercise for you. You have to answer these questions using the correct form of possessive pronouns. Look at this model. Это твой друг? Да, это мой друг. For example, I'm asking you, это твой друг? And you're answering me. Да, это мой друг. By the way, you can use these slides as your tips during this practice. So pause this video, write down all this sentence in your notebook and keep on watching my video. And I show you the key. right now. Take a look at this slide. Compare my answers with yours. How many correct answers do you have? You can leave your answer in comments. And let's read it together. Это твоя ручка. Да, это моя ручка. Это ваша сестра. Сестра. Да, это наша сестра. Наша сестра, for example. Это его машина. Да, это его машина. Это их дома. Not дома. Дома. Да, это их дома. Это наше здание. Да, это наше здание. Это ее сумка. Да, это ее сумка. Это твой ноутбук. Да, это мой ноутбук. Это твое место. Да, это мое место. Well, we finished and can go on. Another one great exercise is waiting for us. Here is it. What do you have to do? You have to place these words into these lines considering the gender of these possessive pronouns. And let's do the very first word together. The word урок. Урок. I'm going to this slide. By the way, you also can use these slides as your tip during exercises. Well, I see consonant. If I see consonant, I have to use pronouns with short e or with the consonant on the end. So I'm going back and I will write down this word into this line. Well, pause this video and do this exercise. And of course, write all these words down in your notebook. And keep on watching my video and I show you the key right now. Too many words of me. I know you know what to do. Take a look at this slide. Compare my work with yours. How many words did you place correctly? You can leave your answer in comments. And actually, this is my favorite kind of exercises. And you? Do you like such kind of exercise? Answer me in comments. And now we will learn to ask questions and we just have to read it. Repeat after me. Чей стул? Чей кофе? Чей ноутбук? Чья ручка? Чья кровать? Чья семья? Чье яблоко? Чье лицо? Чье место? Чьи машины? Чьи дети? Чьи деньги? Это кот. Чей это кот? Это газета. Чья это газета? Это зеркало. Чье это зеркало? Это деньги. Чьи это деньги? Well done. Go on. And here is more interesting task. What do you have to do? You have to ask questions. Look at the model. Это книга. Чья это книга? Well, you have to do the same. Just a moment, I will relocate myself, not for a long time. Well, pause this video and you know what to do, and I'll show you the key right now. Take a look at this slide, compare my questions with yours. Guys, I will read the first 4 sentences with you, and all other sentences you will read by yourself, okay? Let's begin. Это песня. Чья это песня? Это очки. Чьи это очки? Это машины. Чьи это машины? Это пиво. Чье это пиво? Pause this video and read all other sentences. Well guys, it was the last exercise. I hope this lesson was interesting and useful for you. So, leave in comments if you liked this video. And let me know if my explanations were clear. Also, the tables of this lesson, a slight vocabulary and homework you can find at the link below. So, support me and my channel, thumb up and subscribe. Have a good day and see you soon in the following lesson. Bye!